In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off blog comments on Wix. Managing the comments on your blog is a crucial part of maintaining control over your site's content and interaction. Sometimes you might want to turn off comments entirely, perhaps to minimize spam or focus on delivering content without discussion. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top menu and click on the Home option. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your site features. Next, you'll want to look for the Blog section on your dashboard. This can typically be found on the sidebar to your left. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Blog Management interface where you can access settings and manage posts. When you're there, look for the More Actions option. You'll usually find this option represented by a small icon or button near the list of your blog posts. Click on More Actions to reveal a drop-down menu with various options you can undertake for your blog. Within this drop-down menu, you should find Blog Settings. Click on this option to enter the settings interface. Here you have access to a variety of settings such as language preferences, layout, and most importantly, your comment settings. In the blog settings, look for the Comments section. Here you'll see a switch that controls whether comments are enabled or disabled on your blog. If you wish to turn off comments completely, simply move the switch to the off position. Now, if you don't want to disable comments entirely but wish to control who can post, Wix offers different options for this. Under the Comments settings, you should find a drop-down menu that lets you choose who can leave comments. You can set it so only certain users or members can comment, providing a layer of control and ensuring that only your desired audience engages with your content. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new settings are applied. It's always a good practice to refresh your blog afterward to check that your settings have updated correctly and your blog functions as expected. By following these steps, you can easily manage the comment settings on your Wix blog, tailoring the experience to fit your needs and goals. Thank you for joining me today in managing your blog's comments. Be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your web presence.